Okay, I'm gonna show you a bunch of different stuff. So right here, this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. And look at that. And there's actually a little coastal trail right here. I'm gonna show you a bunch of videos in a minute, but there's this little coastal trail that goes down, and I'm gonna show you three things. So first thing I'm gonna do when I come back is I'm gonna show you a video that shows me in a boat taking this view from way over there, and I'm kind of capturing all this stuff right here, this whole view. And so I'm gonna show you that first. And then number two, I'm gonna show you, wow, look at that. Dang, I didn't realize that was like that right there. Number two, I'm going to show you the other side of the coastal trail too, so I'm going to go to that as well. And then we're going to come back. So, okay, so here's the intro, and then we'll show you some of this more of this. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is where we're going to start at, and this is this little enclave that I found that's between Haksa Beach and Chokvan Beach. And today what we're going to be doing is showing you this trail that's to the right of that little area, and this one we're just kind of going back towards Chokvan Beach. And this is where we're at right now, is this little mess of buildings right in here, which is also the beginning of the coastal trail as well. So we'll show you more about that all right coming up next. Okay, so we're on the coastal trail, so we're gonna walk down possibly this way, but there's also another way that way too. So we'll see. I'll kind of show you where we are. So we're kind of in this little space right there. Then we have the option, we could go down that way. There's so much to explore, but I think that you're kind of going to get the same feel whichever direction we go, so we might as well go more this way. I think my plan is to go for about 7 minutes, kind of show this coastal route, and I want to show you some other stuff too. So look how beautiful that is, and actually the sun is better. So you have all those as well. There's a break wall right there. So we're kind of near the end, so right there is kind of near the end of this as well. So yeah, here's this break wall. Dang. Yeah, there's a break wall right there. You can. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. There's a break wall, and then there's all these rocks right here. So, so you could go. Oh, okay. Now I know where we are. I know exactly where we are. That's the coastal trail. So you can take that coastal trail all the way to Haksa. So it looks like that coastal trail ends right here. Yeah, that coastal trail, I've taken some videos of the coastal trail before. I haven't walked all the way down it, but it looks like you can walk. There's a trail going up there, and then it'll go down, follow, and it goes all the way down the waterway, down that way. So, okay. So hopefully that's kind of interesting. It's pretty interesting for me. So. Okay, so I hope you like those images. So yeah, basically there's like a coastal trail that goes right down here, and it follows there. So you saw the one end, and then this is the other end, and this end kind of comes up by all these buildings. So there's all this that goes all the way down, right? And then I think what we're gonna do is just walk down a little bit into this coastal trail, and then you can kind of see. If you're doing Google Maps, you can also just see this sign right here. So I'll just show you that real quick. So that sign right there. So if you Google map that, you can see it. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of give a small taste of what it looks like. Let's just kind of show you this too. There's a park right in there too. So this whole thing goes down. There's another circular thing like this one. So there's this one, that one, and then all the water. I did another video too, where if you follow that street sign, Hua Dosh Jardins de Chokvan, you can see a lot more where I walk around in this whole area. There's at least 3 videos of those. So this is kind of walk down a little bit. And I won't do it so much because you can see it from the other side anyways, but I do want to give you a little bit of a taste for this coastal trail. So a lot of people don't realize that Macau has this kind of stuff, but it does. And they also have these that go up to the main road too, so there's ways to come up and down through the bus routes that are up there. I think that's to, yeah, that's up to the main road where the buses are at. So yeah, so this is just kind of a little taste of that coastal road. And then you can also see this whole area too. So yeah, it's like the Chokvan Coastal Trail is that way, Haksa Coastal Trail. So it's just kind of head back this way a little bit, and then you can get an idea of some of the different stuff around Macau that you might not be aware that's around here. So okay, get back up to the top. So yeah, just do a search for this one, Hua Dosh. Imagine if you lived in these apartments, or if you owned this house, whatever that is, house or apartments. If you did, you could just walk down that coastal trail anytime you wanted. Is this a house? Or so beautiful. So anyways, so we have this whole area that goes all the way down. We'll just go show you a little bit. So yeah, that's the coastal trail. So you get a little touch of that. And then this is like 3 layers of apartments, so it goes all the way down the hillside. So some of them you look over some rooftops of some other places, and then these ones as well. So we'll just go down a little bit more so you can have the sense of the view, which is I think you can see it right from here. Yeah, there you go. So everybody here has this view. Amazing, right? Okay, so I'll end it right there. Hope you like this one too.